my god, I am in love. Next क्या freaking love daisies. Hi guys, what's up? It's me Aarti. Welcome to a brand new video on this channel. And if you're looking for some outfit ideas for your summer vacation, then this is it. This is the video you need because आज के वीडियो में मैंने इतनी सारी चीजें ऑर्डर की Amazon से. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff. I have lots of tops, shorts, skirts, some pants, bags, footwear, a few accessories like a little jewelry, chashma. So yeah, couple of things which I'm going to show you, which will go perfectly well अगर तुम कोई getaway plan कर रहे हो, weekend plan कर रहे हो, कोई गोवा ट्रिप भी plan कर रहे हो. And आज का वीडियो मैं थोड़ा अलग तरीके से कर रही हूँ. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you everything that I've got, and towards the end of the video I'm going to mix and match all these things and like create some really fun outfits to give you all some outfit inspiration. So let's begin. If you're new to this channel, future में ऐसा और content देखना चाहते हो, consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon ताकि you get notified whenever I upload a video. So let's begin seeing the products, and of course needless to say सारे जो products है उनकी links जो है नीचे description box में रहेगी. So check it out if you want to see these. The first thing is this very cute lilac crop top बोलियो halter top that I've ordered. Now I used to wear halters a lot in my 20s. Again, I don't know why, but of late I've not really like bought one or owned one. So I was like, चलो let's do this. इसका क्वालिटी नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू, जब मैं ये वाले जो ऐसे टॉप्स खरीदती हूँ और ऐसे क्रॉप टॉप्स मेरे पास बहुत है और मैं शीन वीन से भी लेती थी पहले, व्हेन द प्राइस इज लो ना तो क्वालिटी इज जनरली वेरी एवरेज और ब्ला, बट आई एम वेरी सरप्राइज्ड विथ द मटीरियल, द स्ट्रेचेबिलिटी, the quality of this fabric for the price that I've paid, some 400 that I've paid for this. Pretty color, pretty much been the color of the season, I think, for me at least. I think this is a very cute basic top to have जो तुम 100 चीजों के साथ 100 तरीके से पेयर कर सकते हो, whether it's with shorts or hot pants or with like a mini skirt or with like those wide leg wala pants. Just too many ways to wear this. The second one is this white daisy print shirt. You know what the good thing is, like when I ordered this I thought this is going to be very those Bandra Linking Road पे जो shirts मिलते हैं ना, there's nothing bad about them, but generally because they're cheap the material is very like rough and it's not comfortable and it's just not, definitely not summer friendly. I wouldn't wear that kind of a material outside, but this is not that. This is actually soft, so I'm very happy with the fabric. Transparent shirt है तो अगर तुम beaches पे जा रहे हो तो perfect. Like these kind of loose shirts can be paired with like, you know, high waist shorts. इसके अंदर you can also wear like a pop color का bra or your swimwear or whatever if you want to. इसका size is XL. Most sizes and prices I'm going to put here. Next up is a floral dress. मेरी कोई भी vacation की look book बिना एक बहुत ही cute floral dress के पूरी हो ही नहीं सकती है. This is a floral dress from the brand Forever 21. I literally cried जब Forever 21 shut shop in India, like, and अब सिर्फ online available है. Like मैं यहाँ से इतना shop करती थी, यहाँ के कपड़े are totally my kind. Like this is my vibe, like very fun colors, prints, like even the fabric quality is good. It has this tie thing here on the shoulder. सामने buttons दिए हैं जो पूरी तरह नीचे तक है and ये buttons खुलते हैं. The only problem is कि मेरे लिए बहुत tight है. This is in the size M and I'm surprised that इसकी buttons ऐसे खुल रहे हैं. वो जो बहुत टाइट कपड़ों के बटन खुलते हैं. That's what's happening with this here. But this is for some 1,100 bucks. I would not mind paying that much for dresses from Forever 21. मुझे इनके कपड़ों की क्वालिटी भी सही लगती है. मेरे पास कितने टॉप्स और ड्रेसेस हैं वहां से लिए हुए जिनको 6-6, 7-7 साल हो गए, बट they're as is. It doesn't feel like पुराने हो गए हैं. Next one is another floral dress from Forever 21 again. It is like these sleeves and it has this little deep neckline. The fabric is stretchy, it's good quality. इसको t-shirt material बोलते हैं ना, I don't know what is it called, but very good quality stretchy fabric. Okay, so a cute regular A-line dress. Now दो चीजें. Number one, I think मुझे लगा ये black आने वाला है, but this looks like navy blue to me, a color I dislike. You guys know this, but overall पहन के बहुत cute लगता है. If you can handle like a nice deep neckline, or if you can't then you can just wear like a cami top inside or whatever. Very comfy dress actually. जब हम घूमने फिरने जाते हैं we want clothes that are very comfortable, जिसमें से ज़्यादा तामझाम नहीं हो, and dresses are very easy breezy. Like put it on, there's no तामझाम. इसको किसके साथ मैच करूँ, क्या करूँ? You can just pair it with flats or like nice chunky white sneakers and take your crossbody bag or like a backpack or like a sling and you're good to go. Next क्या I ordered, so I was looking for those very ढीला वाला loose wide legged pants since a very long time. मैं काफी टाइम से ढूंढ रही हूँ, brands में भी stores में भी जाके मुझे मिला नहीं कुछ satisfactory. So I was like चलो let's check Amazon पे कुछ है क्या. So I've called 2 of those. This one, what brand is this? Yeah, this is from the Amazon brand called Hapa. HARPA, दिस इज इन द साइज 30। बहुत ही तुक्के में मैंने ऑर्डर किया क्योंकि उधर साइज गाइड भी नहीं थी। आई वाजंट श्योर 30 विल फिट मी और नॉट, बट आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस मीडियम साइज है आई थिंक, एंड दिस इज लाइक अ सी ग्रीन कलर का वाइड लेगेड पैंट। ओके, द फैब्रिक मटीरियल एंड ऑल ऑल्सो लुक्ड वेरी गुड जूम इन करके जब मैंने देखा, and I am so happy with these. The look, the vibe, the quality of the fabric. Let me give you a closer look. Can you see? It's a very soft, very comfortable fabric, and there were lots of fun colors available. मैंने ये choose किया, but you can go choose from the other color options that they have. I think there was a pink and yellow also, if I'm not wrong, but you can just click on the link and check it. They're totally worth the price that you're paying. Good quality pants, and I always say this, मैं tops भले ही सस्ते खरीद लूँ, tops से मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता because you keep changing them a lot, you have plenty of those, but I like putting in a little more money in the bottoms that I wear. So all the denims or shorts or pants जो भी मैं खरीदती हूँ. Now moving on to hot pants, I also wanted to order like really cute denim shorts क्योंकि मेरे पास के जो denim shorts है वो भी मुझे सारे टाइट हो रहे हैं. These high waist ripped denim shorts. Now इनका look देखते I was like ये काफी cool लग रहे हैं. Let's give this a shot. That icy blue color if you guys like it. High waist है, zip नहीं है, यहाँ पर buttons है. So if that's something that you're okay with, not okay with, is your call. I really like the way in which these are torn. Gives a very cool vibe. Next up is my most favorite buy. Oh my god, these black loose straight or wide leg pants, whatever you can call it. These are from Marks and Spencer जो मैंने Amazon से order किए. I am so happy with this purchase. So happy I can't tell you. And मेरा happiness थोड़ा into 10 इसलिए हो गया because my pants haven't been fitting me. I have put on a lot of weight on my stomach and I wanted something very easy breezy, loose, and still that looks something that looks cool. And these are the pants. I love the material because you know what? This is the perfect blend of how do I say it? Like you can wear this for an evening out also or a day out also. The material is very soft, very comfortable. I will not feel hot wearing this out in the sun at all. And they have pockets on both the sides, thank God for that. And they fit me so well and they look so good. I am so happy with these pants. This is in the size 12. Next up is this Kafi beach vibe wala shirt. Yeah, you guessed it right. This is from the men's section again. Very like good fabric quality for the price that I've paid. What I don't like is I ordered an L for a reason ताकि एक बहुत ही like loose vibe आए, but I'm very surprised कि इसका L भी मुझे almost M की तरह ही हो रहा है. तो काफी स्किन फिटिंग हो रहा है. जो लुक मैं इसमें एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी वो लुक नहीं आया है इसमें. अब 2 टॉप्स बचे हैं. एक ये है जो मैंने पहना हुआ है एंड एक ये ब्लैक वाला टॉप है. इट्स अ प्लेन ब्लैक टी with a fully backless back and a little tie here. I am in love with the way this top fits and the way this looks. Fabric quality is pretty decent. This is not the annoying kind of irritating kind of cheap type of you know what I'm saying? If you all buy crop tops as often as I do, ये जो 300, 400, 500 के crop tops होते हैं उनकी fabric generally quality अच्छी नहीं होती है, but I'm so happy with all the 3 tops that I've picked up today and this also. Good fabric quality, comfortable. This tie at the back तो looks too damn cute man. Again इसमें काफी अलग colors थे, but I ordered a black because something like this I thought could make for a great like you know evening wear, stepping out for a drink or something whenever you're out. गोवा में हो जहाँ पर भी हो. And the last one is this one shoulder top. I'm in love with this one. Again some 300-400 bucks. इधर नीचे से इसमें ना ऐसे elastic दिया है. It fits so well. Again this was available in a lot of different colors, but I ordered for a hot pink one because you all know my love for pink. Just एक चीज है, मैंने एक बार सोचा कि ये M शायद हल्का सा you know यहाँ से हल्का सा tight है. Should I order an L? So I did think of it once, but I feel it's actually looking good because it's so well fitted. And the last piece of clothing, is this the last? Yeah, it is. This tennis skirt, जो बीच में H&M में भी बहुत थे, अभी भी है actually. And I saw these available on Amazon for some 500, 600, 700 bucks. तो ये भी कुछ 600, 700 का है. And this color, oh my god, what a cute color. Closer look. Very good quality fabric, huh? And a very well made, good looking skirt also. And the best part, it has like these shorts stitched inside. What can be more comfortable than this? Although my butt here is what I was expecting for it to be is shorter. That's what tennis skirts are, right? So I expected it to be much shorter than it actually is. So मेरे लिए vibe kill हो गया थोड़ा सा. But if you all like skirts that are like this length, like knees तक, तो it's perfect for you. Now moving on to the accessories, a couple of them. So let's begin quickly. I ordered this shoulder bag. These bags have been in for a while, and मैं काफी टाइम से सोच रही हूँ कि ये you know I should have one. I don't know if you all follow me on Instagram. If you don't, on that note, I'm going to put my handle here. You should. I love daisies. I freaking love daisies, and it had a daisy print and this color. I was like, oh my god, we need this bag. ये जो जनरली बैग्स का फैब्रिक होता है दैट पीयूसी और व्हाटएवर दैट इज, ये वो नहीं है. दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड कॉल्ड इको राइट. दिस इज 100% ऑर्गेनिक कॉटन से बना हुआ बैग. इट्स सो प्रिटी एंड इट्स सस्टेनेबल फैब्रिक एंड आई लव इट. आई लव हाउ इट लुक्स. It is slightly more expensive than those other bags of yours. Next up are two bucket hats because I had to. I mean, they've been in again a daisy print. You can clearly now see the daisy obsession. And also the best part is it's reversible, so you can wear it both ways. You can wear it like this also and like this. How cool, right? Maybe इसका थोड़ा hat वाला look आ गया है, right? Like bucket hats are supposed to be more like this, right? Like वो वाला vibe मुझे नहीं आ रहा है फिलहाल. But otherwise एंड दिस वन दैट आई ऑर्डर्ड एक्चुअली जो फोटो लगी हुई थी उसमें ये वेरी लाइट पर्पल कलर का था, सो लैवेंडर कलर, इसलिए मैंने ऑर्डर किया. बट ये डार्क पर्पल का है, सो आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस बट आई रियली लाइक द अदर वन. नेक्स्ट अप इज अनदर बैग. अब बीच वेकेशन की बात हो रही है और एक केन बैग ना हो ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है. वेरी वेरी क्यूट लुकिंग केन बैग, यू नो, विद अ नाइस लाइक फ्लोर लेंथ कॉटन ड्रेस, मैक्सी ड्रेस और लाइक अ नी लेंथ ड्रेस व्हाटएवर. बट व्हेन आई ऑर्डर्ड इट मुझे लगा ये इससे बड़े साइज में आएगी. ओके, नेक्स्ट अप अगेन समथिंग आई जनरली डोंट ऑर्डर. आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट, पहले तो कैट आइज, पता नहीं इतने सालों से कैट आइज हैव बीन ऑन एंड ऑफ इन एंड आई हैव नेवर बॉट देम. समहाउ आई फेल्ट लाइक इट्स नॉट माई सीन, बट दिस टाइम आई वाज लाइक लेट्स ट्राई इट yeah for fun. So I ordered this colored cat eye. Colored glasses have been in for a while and these actually look, I am impressed. The frame, the glass, the color, good quality glasses, huh? With everything I have right now, I just can't wait to go to a vacation. Like sab ready hai, all I need to do is book tickets and leave with a bag full of all this. Next up is some jewelry from this golden jewelry. Have you guys noticed off late मैं काफी golden jewelry पहन रही हूँ. Layered neck chains from the brand called Ubella. So काफी time से I wanted one of these, you know, these reversed crescent moon pendants. And this has moon, this has star and lots of chotu stars. So I think it's very stunning, very very me. And this is the other one. The quality is pretty decent. Like I got both of these मिला के कुछ 200-250. Like you do get these kind of chains on Linking Road and Bandra and all for like much lesser. और मैंने खरीदी भी है, उनका पॉलिश चला जाता है. I don't know what's gonna happen with these. ये पहन के मुझे पता चलेगा, बट एज ऑफ नाउ आई एम रियली लाइकिंग इट फॉर द प्राइस. नाउ इन द एंड आई हैव 3 pairs of footwear remaining, but before I show them to you, I have to say this: I am a very wide sneakers on vacation person. Like I feel जब हम vacation जाते हैं हमें बहुत सारे अलग अलग outfits ले जाने का मन करता है. There's limited space in the bag and there's not always space for a lot of footwear options. That's why I always go with wide sneakers because they just go with everything, from your dresses to your shorts to your skirts to your, you know, pants. They fit, they look great on everything. So मैंने ना Amazon से 2 white sneakers खरीदे हैं. This pair of shoes from this brand called Bourge. I don't know how it's pronounced. I think it's Bourge or whatever. So the look, the make, the quality, it's great, huh? It's pretty great. The flexibility, the comfort, ये वो shoes है अगर तुम long distances चलने वाले हो काफी, तो ये वो वाले shoes है. They're going to be very comfortable and at the same time they look good. Also, the price is just some $650. So I feel this is a perfect budget wear white sneaker option for you for throughout your year, not just for the vacation, to be honest. And the second pair of white sneakers is my absolute favorite. I'm so excited about these white chunky sneakers, cute colors. Oh my god, I am in love. मुझे काफी टाइम से white chunky shoes लेने थे, तो मैं ये जो Amazon पे देखे, these are from the brand called Red Tape. So it's made by Red Tape, okay? इसके फोटोज जब मैंने वेबसाइट पर देखे तो मुझे काफी कूल लग रहा था. तो लग रहा था कि शायद फोटोज में इतने अच्छे लग रहे हो सकता है जब डिलीवर हो उतने अच्छे ना हो या उसका कोई चीप वर्जन आ जाए. बट आई एम more than impressed looking at these shoes, man. What colors, such a summer vibe this pair is. जो प्राइस था कुछ 4,000 था, मुझे डिस्काउंट में से 1,045 में मिले. I am in love with these shoes. And the last footwear is a pair of flats. अगर तुम बीचेस पे जाते हो तो मतलब flats के बिना काम कैसे बन सकता है. These are from the brand Metro. This is in the size UK 5 Euro 38. We have been in love with this color of late. और ऐसे colors ना I feel ये footwear जो है हर चीज पे जाते हैं इस color के. I love the design also. And this is just for $650 again, man. So that's everything that I've ordered from Amazon. And now I can't wait to put it all together, do some mix and match and give you all some fun outfit ideas जिनसे तुम अपने vacation के लिए inspiration ले सकते हो. So let's take a look at that.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had. Baby, let it be. Enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life.
I am in love with the whole 2K vibe that these outfits have been giving, man. Let me know तुम्हारा सबसे favorite वाला outfit कौन सा था. नीचे comments में मुझे बताओ. If you liked these, any of these products, you want to pick up any of these things, नीचे description box में सारी links रहेगी. मेरे Amazon store की भी link है नीचे, जिसमें ये सारी चीजें जो मैं link up करती रहती हूँ. You can go check them out. You can go order them for yourself for your weekend getaway, for that Goa trip. जो भी तुम break अगर लेने वाले हो anytime soon, और just like that. और Amazon पे हमेशा like crazy discounts भी चल रहे होते हैं, so you might find these items for a much lesser price, by the way. So yeah, go take a look. If you like the video, show me all your love and likes and comments, and share this with your girlfriends, because the more you do these things, the more YouTube recommends my videos to people and I get to grow. So please take 2 seconds to do it. And yeah, on that note, I'm going to go and see you guys real soon. You take care. Bye bye.